Hello makers and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a mini macrame coaster. I've left the measurements that you'll need in the description box, so check those out. So to start, I'm going to take a 55 inches 4mm cotton cord. I'm going to measure one side to be 15 inches. And then I'm going to fold my cord at the 15 inches mark. I'm going to pin the cord to the cork pad, and then I'm going to attach 4 26 inches cord to the 55 inches cord. For this, I'm going to use the reverse lark's head knot. I'm going to repeat this for the rest of the 3 cords. So we have 2 cords now. We're going to add the third. And then we're going to add the fourth. And then I'm going to remove the pin and close the loop. Try to tighten your knots as much as possible so you get like a really neat look. I'm gonna take the longest cord, and this is gonna be our filler cord, and then I'm going to create 2 double half hitch knots. So that's one. And then that's 2. Then I'm going to add a 23 inches cord using the reverse lark's head knot. I'm going to tie 2 double half hitch knots. And I've left all these instructions in the description box for you guys. Then again, I'm going to add a 21 inches cord. I'm going to tie 4 double half hitch knots. Add a 21 inches cord. Tie 2 double half hitch knots. And then I'm going to add a 16 inches cord using reverse lark's head knot. I'm going to tie 4 double half hitch knots. And then add again a 16 inches cord. Tie another 4 double half hitch knots. And then again add a 16 inches cord. Tie 2 double half hitch knots. And then add a 16 inches cord. Tie 4 double half hitch knots. And then add a 16 inches cord. Tie 4 double half hitch knots. and then add an 11 inches cord. And then we're going to tie 6 double half hitch knots. And then add an 11 inches cord. Tie 6 double half hitch knots. And then add another 11 inches cord. And then we're going to tie 17 double half hitch knots. This is the longest consecutive double half hitch knots we're going to tie in this coaster. Then add a 7 inches cord. Then tie 8 double half hitch knots. And then add 7 inches cord. Then tie 10 double half hitch knots. Then add a 7 inches cord. And then tie 4 double half hitch knots, and these are the last double half hitch knots we're gonna make. Then we flip our mini coaster, and then we're gonna tuck the filler cord to the back using a bobby pin. You can use whatever you like. I like the bobby pin because it's accessible and I have it always on hand, and it does the job. So I'm just gonna tuck the cord at the back. And make sure everything is nice and neat. Then we're just gonna cut the extra cord. I do cut my extra cord before brush out because it's just easier. Tighten any loose knots. Then brush out the fringe. I really love how easy it is to brush out this cord. And it looks like really full and luscious and really, really nice. Once you're done, give it a last trim. And then, ta-da! Here you have it, a really cute and nice mini macrame coasters, perfect for the holiday season and perfect as a Christmas gift. Let me know if you guys tried it out.